This is our 2000 model John Deere 748 G2. Gonna move around to the front side of the machine, look at the blade, main pin and bushing to frame, upper and cylinder pin and bushing attachment structures, and the front axle oscillation support. Here we'll be looking at, again, blade cylinder, front axle oscillation support as we're raising the machine up and down off the ground, showing any movement in these areas. Moving to the right side of the machine from the opposite side view. Here from the right side of the machine, again raising it up and down off the ground so you can see any movement. Front side of the machine is tight. Now I go into the center section of the tractor. Here we're going to raise the machine up and down off the ground again using the boom to be able to view the center pins, the upper and lower articulation pins and bushings, to show you any slack in this area. No slack in the center section of this tractor. We've installed new pins and bushings here. Now I'm going to move to the right side steering cylinder pin and bushing. Here we have the front and rear differential locks engaged. Steering the machine right to left to show you any slack here in this right side steering cylinder pin and bushing. I'm going to move to the opposite side of the machine for the left side. Again, with the differential locks engaged, steering left and right. Looking at the left side steering cylinder pin and bushing. New center section in this tractor. No slack here. Here we're going to be looking at the left side of the tractor. Tire condition, sheet metal, cab glass. Going into the tires, 30.5 by 32. Left rear tire is 90%. Front left tire is about 75%. Very good 30.5s on this tractor. Sheet metal. This tractor straight as an arrow. Cab glass. Rear operating lights. And just overall condition, the exterior of the machine. I'm going to move now to the right side of the tractor for the opposite view. Right side of the machine, again looking at overall exterior condition, tires, sheet metal, cab glass. Right side tires, 30.5 32s. Right rear at 90%. Front right side at 75. Remaining tires. Sheet metal condition. Rear cab glass, and again the overall exterior of the tractor. Gonna move now to the Grapple and its operation from a different view. Going to take a look now at the Grapple snubber, swing brake, and Grapple tong pin and bushings, and the Grapple tong condition. Going to raise the machine up and down here, so you'll be able to see the slack in the snubber or Grapple tong pin and bushing area. Swing brake is tight on this tractor. Very, very minimal movement in the lower snubber pins and bushings. Grapple pins and bushings on the tongs are tight, very minor side-to-side movement. I'm going to move now and look at the upper and lower boom and arch and their corresponding cylinders. Again, raising the machine up and down, so you'll be able to see any slack in these areas. I'm going to move now to the left side of the machine, give you an opposite side view. Again, raising the machine up and down to view any movement. No slack on the rear side of this machine. View the winch fairlead rollers, horizontal and both vertical, in place. Now we're going to take a look at the actual winch operation on this tractor. Of the winch operation on this machine. It is functional. I'm going to move now to the interior engine compartment and the overall condition of the engine. It's a John Deere PowerTech 8.1 liter power unit. Coming into the machine in the interior of the cab, onboard fire suppression system, pressurized with water, floorboard condition, throttle, brake, and transmission D-clutch. Moving to the seat condition, seat suspension, lower seat cushion, seat back, air conditioner controls. The air conditioning system is cold in this tractor. Taking a look at the rear view out of the machine. Grapple controls, transmission controller, differential lock. Looking at the front view out of the tractor. Gauge and dash panel. This is a new dash panel in this tractor. Shows 14 hours. It was replaced new.